Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is my all-time favorite starter. This is Chicken Malai Tikka. This dish is not at all spicy but filled with flavors. To make it, you need boneless chicken pieces and cut that into square pieces like this. Add some salt, pepper, some garlic paste, ginger paste, and half lemon juice. Now mix everything really well and keep it aside for half an hour. And after that, add in some Kasuri methi, some garam masala, some crushed green chili, but that is optional. Now add in corn flour, fresh cream, yogurt, again some salt and pepper, and mix everything. Now here I've added fresh cream, but instead of that you can add homemade malai. Now place a hot charcoal piece in the middle of the marinated chicken and pour some oil. This is to infuse the tandoori flavor into the chicken. And try not to skip this step. Now take some soaked skewers and insert each marinated chicken pieces onto it. Leave some gap in between the chicken pieces so that it can get cooked really well. Prepare all the skewers like this. Now take a frying pan and pour some ghee and place the skewers with the chicken pieces. It will always add more flavor when you cook this in ghee. When one side turns slightly into brown shade, flip it. Cook both the sides on a medium to low flame. Now our chicken malai tikka is ready. Remove the skewers just before serving. Drizzle some lemon juice to bring out the real flavor of the chicken tikka. The chicken is really juicy and it has a good blend of all the flavors. So definitely try this recipe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and also watch more interesting, unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.